everyone. I am Vindachari from Government High School, Pisuliam Sattari, Goa. These are my friends Manvi Dawde, Mamta Moria, Shubhrachari and Mohit Bedekar. The title of the project is Smart Waste Management Beans for my community. Objectives: first, implement a smart waste collection system. Second, reduce waste overflow and litter. Third, increase community engagement and awareness. Fourth, promote sustainable waste management practices. Waste means unwanted or unusable material that has been disposed or discarded after primary use. Management of the waste is the major challenge all over the world. Waste management is the biggest ongoing problem. Due to the increase in the population, there is overexploitation of the resources and more waste is being generated. We are not able to manage this waste properly. Due to this mismanagement, lots of problems are being faced by animals, plants and also by human beings. Efficient handling of waste is an important factor in the developmental progress of any nation and the health of its people. Effective management of waste is now a national priority as can be seen through the Swachh Bharat mission. In recent years, the concept of smart waste management has gained significant attention. Smart waste management involves the use of advanced technologies such as sensors, Internet of Things, data analytics to optimize waste collection, reduce waste disposal cost and promote a cleaner and healthier environment. But we have not used any sensor because in the rural area it won't work properly, so we gone through manually. This project aims to implement a smart waste collection system in order to reduce waste overflow and increase recycling rates and promote a cleaner and healthier environment. In a village, there are 4 types of dustbin: plastic, paper, wet waste and cans. People will come and directly throw their waste in particular dustbins. Once the dustbin gets filled, it will directly go in the below storage bins. Thus, stray animals will not make the area dirty. For example, in a village, there are 150 family members. 150 create one family create approximately 200 gram wet waste. Then 150 family multiplied by 200 gram equals to 30,000 gram. 30,000 divided by 1000 equals to 30 kg per day for 9 days. 30 kg into 9 days equals to 270 kg approximately, and soil approximately 300 kg. After 45 days, it will convert directly into organic manure.
Benefits: first, reduce waste and minimize environmental impact. Second, improve public health and sanitation. Third, efficient waste collection and management. Fourth, to make sustainable waste management. Fifth, effective segregation of waste.
Suggestions: in the school, children are taking water bottle every year. That should be reusable one. For example, metal water bottle, clothes, napkin, etc. Second, we should use and reuse things until they no longer serve a purpose. Before discarding any object, think first if someone else can use it or if it can be recycled. Third, if you use plastic bags, then please reuse it. Fourth, use reusable bags for grocery and other shopping too. We should not take bags for small purposes. Fifth, the 5 R's. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and rot. This gives us a new framework for dealing with waste in our lives. Conclusion: by implementing this project, we aim to make a significant impact on waste management in Goa, promoting a cleaner, healthier environment for residents and tourists alike. Effective segregation of waste means that less waste goes to landfill, which make it cheaper and better for people and create a sustainable waste management. And it is also important to segregate for people. Public health. A zero waste approach conserves natural resources. However, getting closer to zero waste is doubtful, but such smart community dustbin definitely minimize the waste. Thank you.